Hey everybody.
Hey guys.
We're the Nerds and we're here today in Louisville, Kentucky. And we're on Louisville's Halloween Street. It's Hillcrest Avenue, then right near downtown Louisville. And we're just going to walk through, as you can see behind us already, pretty much every house on the street has all kinds of amazing Halloween decorations. Look at that big skeleton there. So we're just going to walk through, show a couple of yards, and just show you this street. But if you're near downtown Louisville, we already drove through it once. You guys see this place. It's cool. I love how the neighbors do it. Yeah. Well, that being said, let's check out Louisville's Halloween Street.
Let's go.
Coming up to our first house right here. Look at the giant skeleton waving high. Another skeleton over there as well. All the pumpkins. And look at this. Stuffy pointed this out too. You got a little one right here in the ivy there.
Tree.
Oh, the spider. That's neat. And then the next house up here. Some ghosts. This is a cool thing, y'all. Like, this is cool. I'll just show you real quick, just like the sea. It's like across the street there. You can just see. We'll show you that here in a minute too. But every house on both sides has decorations. So I love those. I wish you those ghosts at the house. Those are really easy to do.
Oh,
the black cats. Oh, the witches are cool. They even got little green faces in there, it looks like.
Yeah, they have mannequin heads.
And they just probably painted them green, didn't they?
Yeah.
That's neat.
Dad Nerd ran away and left.
Yeah, Dad Nerd's way up there. And there's a few houses you see like this that don't have anything. So it's not literally every house, but I'm just telling you, it's a good bulk of the houses here. And look at the
Oh, this is a cool one.
Look at this wood fence. Looks like he put this up just for this. Look, he's got the little lights he put up and everything. And there's got rope lights on here and everything. Wow. They had a whole graveyard here. This train. Whoa, look at that stuff. They're roasting the dead rats there over the fire.
Look at the spooky trees back there.
Oh, wow.
Look at the spider on the roof.
Look at the little dog. He's got a rat in his mouth. Where's the spider? Oh, that's a good spider. Yeah. This is
the raven and the skull. And then there's a conductor with his plaid shirt.
Oh, this is great. Enter if you dare. Next exit 15 miles. We are not going in there. Look, these are like the little lampposts I was telling you about too. They put those up just for this.
Wouldn't it be cool to trick or treat on this street?
Oh yeah, it would be.
Like to go trick or treating?
Yeah, that would be really neat. Another house here. They got the little fence up here with skull lights on it. Look at that spider.
How many eyes is he?
Wow, 8. They don't have 8 or 6 eyes normally.
I don't have a.
Yeah, it's got 6 eyes. Yeah, spiders normally have 6 or 8 eyes, I believe.
Seriously?
Yeah, a lot of them do.
That's
like
another reason why I'm.
Oh, look at the cocoons. They got. Oh, it's bodies.
Yeah.
They're wrapping body. Oh.
You shouldn't be so excited.
Look though, there's a real body right there. Well, not a real body, I should claim. A fake body. Look there though. The spiders wrapped him up. That is so cool. And all hanging up in the trees. Oh, there's a little happy skeleton kind of in the tree right there. You see him? Yeah. Wow, I love the body. Disclaimer: it's not a real body.
Twisted turn of events. It's a real body.
That would be
terrible.
That would be
Saw a news story.
And that was a real body.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. I like that.
Monster house.
Yeah.
Eyes in the mouth.
Yeah, look at that. That's cool. All the bloody teeth and everything in the eyes. I need to live on the street for 30 days of the year.
Why there's a KFC bucket there and there.
I don't know. That's the mystery. Maybe he's eating some fried chicken. Monster House.
Are those his teeth?
Yeah, it's his teeth.
That's his teeth is the porch.
That's the teeth is his porch. Yeah, I don't know why the KFC buckets are there. That's probably lighting, I imagine. He probably put some lights up there.
Yeah, probably.
This one's got a little creepy cemetery here. Little things hanging. Hey, Dad. Dad Nerd's here with us today. And look at that. All the little skeletons. Oh, there's one of them's like a grave digger back there, but he died. It was like with a shovel. There's some little dog skeletons right there. I like all the little hanging things up there, too. Oh, Steph, what's going on here?
Well, it looks like they're
wow. There's
draining her blood or giving her blood. I'm not sure.
Oh, wait, no. There's a rat on the ground. And they got blood going to the rat, too. So they putting that in her? I don't know what they're doing. That's interesting.
A rat woman.
And a whole like seance circle of skulls or something. That's creepy.
Yeah, that's some this season American Horror Story type stuff going on right there.
Welcome, mortals. And there's actually a few body bags up here. I like the body bag touch. And then right here you got a couple of horses. It's got a little fence out here in the front too.
A couple dead horses.
Oh, they are dead, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And skeletons riding them. Oh, okay. That's...
See the skeletons on the porch though? So they
Oh, look
have
up
a little
top.
Party with their hats.
Look, it's got like a little stuff up there and a little skeleton up there too, drinking a Maker's Mark. A drunk skeleton on the roof. 50 minimum wager, only 50. Oh, so it's like a casino or betting, and they're all drinking up there too, betting on the dead horses.
You bet on horses. We're in
Yeah.
Kentucky.
Or Admiral. I can't say it today. There's a skeleton rabbit. There's a skeleton lizard too.
These are the horses.
Oh wow. They got a fence over here as well. Oh, they got little snakes in the fence. That's cool.
No, it's not.
And then a whole cemetery here. Look at the dog pulling the guy out. It looks like it's come out of the grave kind of, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, look at this little setup right here. That's neat, like a little house there, like an old witch. There's some toads up there. That's some big old toads. Oh, the boat. Oh, it's got like a little crocodile. So like, oh, it's like a swamp, Steph.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. It's a raven in the boat too. That's really neat. There's look at all the ghosts hanging on his porch. I love porches like that, don't you? The big wraparound porches. Got some inflatables up here and spiders. Little witches' hats. This is a little inflatable going into his house here, big spider. That's pretty cool. And look at this though, as you walk through here, if you were to, you can see they have all the witches' brooms in there lit up. Hashtag Hillcrest selfie.
Oh, you gotta take a selfie now.
Yeah, we'll have to get a selfie. Right there, little tombstones and coffin and
Ooh, there's a one trying to come out.
yeah. Keep out, the sign says. Little witch. This is called Ghost in the Graveyard. Look at that. And then we got one more down here. With a bunch of different little hanging things out here. Like a pumpkin, there's a man fishing out here. All that.
We found Hogwarts on Hillcrest.
That's so cool. Oh look, the platform, 9 3/4. Just like at Universal or in Harry Potter too.
The wizards are welcome.
You know what would be cool is see the Death Eaters here.
Yeah.
There's no Death Eaters, but it's still really neat. We just saw the Death Eaters at Universal for Halloween Horror Nights. It was so cool. Just at the Yellow Brick Road.
There? I didn't even see that first time.
Oh. Oh, it's like a little fishing line there, so they can zip back and forth.
Yeah.
That's really cool. There's apples hanging in the tree. Look, Steph. Yellow Brick Road.
Yeah.
Like a whole Wizard of Oz.
Like
Emerald City, yeah.
Didn't quite make it before they expired.
Oh, you're right. That's interesting. The Yellow Brick Road, Emerald City, Munchkinland, Poppy Fields.
Put play on it, huh?
Yeah. A little skeleton skull here too.
Oh, we have pirates coming up.
Oh, look, the skeleton mowing the grass.
Oh, it's in the dark.
Do not touch fence. Keep out.
This scallywag.
Yeah, I like the pirate quite a bit. Oh, there's like a little Pennywise come out of the sewer right there. You see it?
Okay, that's creepy. That's
And-
creepy.
Yeah, look, they got the little electric chair back there. Oh yeah, look at this one right here. He's actually coming out of the ground. They literally dug a hole for him. Yeah, and Frankenstein's monster. Michael Myers is back there.
They're
Uh-oh.
having a party.
Steph, why is he staring at us?
Oh,
Michael Myers is
keep
gonna,
walking.
he's gonna
Keep
get us.
walking.
Wow. Got a bunch of dolls here. The dolls is a little more basic, but the thing about it is, it's almost kind of creepier, you know, too.
Dolls are creepy.
Yeah, there's one right there, look, by the fence right there. They got the little doll heads on the fence line up here.
There are doll heads on the fence.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at right there.
weird.
Oh, look at this next house here. You got a body. It's like a parachute guy. He parachuted.
Rip IB too low. He left his mark
On the world. Oh, look at this next place
this
up
one,
here.
Your dad was just invited to come in the yard and take pictures.
Yeah, we'll go up there too.
Yeah.
Look at this. Blood is what I adore. Feed me Seymour.
It's Audrey too from Little Shop of Horrors.
Oh, the little plant right there. Yeah. How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Doing good, thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, we got the Titanic up here.
Thank you again, sir. Oh, you're welcome. Appreciate that.
Jack and Rose still flying the Atlantic on the ghost ship Titanic. Steph, you see this up here? Look at that. Jack and Rose, Steph, on the Titanic. Got the little motorcycle here.
One guy started it, and then the next year.
Oh, it's Bonnie and Clyde. Looks like their car there. The little skeletons. Camper Griff. Wow. Climbing up there to their roof. Wow. This is really cool.
All right, we have come upon a yard full of bad boys.
This is like our area right here. This is called the Halloween Hall of Fame. So first, the fence here again. I love all these little fences they put up. Got a bunch of skull heads and everything here on the fence. And look at this, y'all.
I mean, Michael's eyes are kind of a little, not Michael, Jason. A little strange there.
Yeah, his eyes are poking out, but hey, that's real cool. So you got Ghostface there from Scream. You got Michael Myers in the back.
You got Freddy.
You got Clown. There's Pennywise on the porch. Where's Jigsaw at?
Behind Freddy to the left.
Oh, wow. Cole's Boneyard. Again, there's a sign there for Hillcrest selfie. Yeah, you got Jigsaw, Freddy Krueger, the Nun. The Nun 2 was also amazing this year. You got Pinhead on the porch there. And just so many cool characters up there. There's like a little nun right there.
Pinhead, did you say that?
There's a little thing there for help scare away hunger. So you can drop some canned goods off here as well while you're walking through. Yeah, show Pinhead. This is a really cool setup right here. I really love the Nun right here. That was such a great movie. The Nun, the Nun 2.
Yeah, they were.
There's a lot to see right here. Next house here. Another fence, skulls on it. The Grave of Morticia. Welcome, foolish mortals. You got the huge skeleton there with the pumpkin head on top of it. So you got a full cemetery here. No trespassing. We're tired of hiding the bodies. Uh-oh. There's a dog there.
It's our guard dog.
A little bone there for the dog to go play fetch with. There's a couple hands coming out. A little bat right there. Look at the guard dog. You see the guard dog on the porch up there, Steph?
Yeah.
He's chained up. Oh, headless dog. There's a chained up one. I got a bunch of hands up there too. And then rest in peace, space for rent, gently used. That's funny. Walking along some bushes here, and you never know what you might see, like a ghost face. That's interesting. So it's just such the small little details all kind of hidden throughout. A little mask right there.
And this one's lit up at night. He has lights on.
A lot of the orange light. There's a whole skeleton right there. Yeah, there's all the orange lights. Another little mask there. Nice big pumpkin up there. Hey, you're right, Steph. This will be really cool trick-or-treating, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Question is, would you make it out alive if you were trick-or-treating? Looks like the Nun kind of, right? A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the big beard in there. That's neat. Oh, one house for, oh, Steph.
Oh.
Sam is here to greet us.
Yeah, he is. Oh,
Sam from Trick or Treat is up here. Dare you to touch here. Oh.
Ew, look, for snake food. What is that?
That's really cool. Some little light up things up here on the fence. That one doesn't work. And there's Sam from Trick or Treat. And he's got his little mask off too. That's really cool. Oh, look at there on the porch, Steph, from The Shining.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
They had a ghost on the zip line too.
Oh, they do. That's really neat. Like all kinds of stuff. Touch my button if you dare. I want to walk up there. I don't want to see the button actually. That's a steep little hill too. Yeah. I dare you to clap hard, Dad. Do it. Oh, it's back behind us. Oh, that's tricky. Very sneaky. There's another ghost right there.
Did you get this one?
Yeah, I got that one over there. Yeah. So if you clap.
In the middle, I can't reach it.
Yeah, I can't reach it either. If you clap hard right here, this gets you behind you in the tree. You wouldn't even know because it's all black too. At nighttime, you wouldn't see that. That's neat. And then look at this. There's a little guy coming on the ground there like he's been buried. And then this is interesting. Black flamingos. They're skeleton flamingos. Never seen black skeleton flamingos before.
Oh look, I'm a goner and I'll be back.
And a squirrel. Rip. She said her feet were killing her, but nobody believed her.
Here lies Betty Jones. She fell down the stairs and broke all her bones.
Dustin Ash and his wife decompose. Here lies Johnny Yeast. Pardon him for not. Here, see more butts. I told you I was sick. Here lies the body of old Anna done to death by a banana.
Anna's done to death by a banana. It wasn't the fruit that made her go, but the skin of the thing that killed herself.
Rip unknown and rip I'm a Tushman. Lots and lots of skeletons. Even got a coffin on the porch up there. You got a bat skeleton hanging from the tree. Wow. Some dead rats here. A little zombie right there. Look at the clown. Reminds me of like Killer Clown with the cotton candy cocoon a little bit. I know it's not that, but it looks similarities to it. All the ghosts there. There's a bunch of bones up here, things hanging. There's a squirrel again. All the bones up here. I got these little fences up front. A lot of spiders on this fence here. Very cool. Bloody hands. A little unicorn down there. Look at that. A little unicorn. And someone lost a foot here with the chain on it. 312 Hillcrest Avenue has been changed to 312 Halloween Street on the sign up here. That's a cool little touch right there. And this house right here, really cool looking. All kinds of stuff out in the little yards right here. Tombstones, skeletons. They're carrying a coffin right there. Even the little porch lights are like the black light, purple flashing. All the guard dogs out here. They got all the little scarves on too, little Halloween scarves. And the neighbor's house over here's got a bunch of spider webs too. And our last couple of houses here, got the big inflatable spider out there, big spider up on the roof. Really cool decorations out here. This one's got a creepy head hanging from the tree there. They're all 666 and some numbers on it for the tombstones there, or for where the bodies will be buried at. A bunch more skeletons. Again with the cool fencing up here. Skeletons all in the house up there. Cool little graveyard scene. You can see the neighbor's house with that big spider up there again as well. That was Hillcrest Avenue here in Kentucky, right outside of Louisville. Amazing. It's free. Come here at nighttime as well. We did the daytime so you can always see the decorations. Nighttime will be really cool, lit up as well. Dad, what'd you think?
It was amazing what people in the neighborhood are doing, all get together just for having fun.
Yeah, and one gentleman was outside as well. We talked to. He actually let us come onto his property and see everything. He's very nice. That's the one that had the Bonnie and Clyde car and the Jack and Rose and the Titanic ghost ship. Steph, what'd you think?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I think that we should start this on our street.
Good idea. Let's start a new trend. But yeah, if you're in the Louisville area at all, just drive. You can just drive through and see everything. We did a little bit of walking to see it, so it's optional. You can walk or drive. Again, it's 100% free. So I'd say if you're anywhere near Louisville, come over here. You will really enjoy this. It's a great little thing to do. And yeah, with that being said, the nerds are
out.